tasty treat. B is for book with pages to turn. Read with me, there's so much to learn. C is for cup, I drink my juice. Slurp it slow or let it loose. D is for door, knock, knock, knock. Who's coming in? Let's take a walk. E's for eraser, rub away. Fix mistakes every day. F is for fork, I used to eat. Pick up noodles, rice or meat. G is for glasses on my face. I can see every place. H is for hat, it's on my head. Keeps me warm when I go to bed. I is for ice pack, cold and cool. Helps my bump, oh what a tool. J is for jacket, zip it tight. Keeps me warm day and night. J is for key, it opens the gate. Let's go outside, I just can't wait. J is for jacket, zip it tight. Keeps me warm day and night. K is for key, it opens the gate. Let's go outside, I just can't wait. L is for lamp, it shines so bright. Lights my room at night. M is for mirror, look and see a funny face looking back at me. N is for nail, tap, tap, tap. Fixing things with a hammer tap. O is for orange, juicy and round. Peel it open, yum, yum sound. P is for pencil, draw and write. Shapes and letters left and right. Q is for quilt, soft and snug. Wrap me up in a cozy hug. R is for ruler, straight and long. Let's measure things and sing a song. S is for spoon, scoop and spin. Ice cream goes right in my chin. T is for pencils, awe and relic. Like just sweet, sweet, half and white. Tail ever goat with flowers so nice. They smell sweet like sugar and spice. W is for watch, tick, tick. Tells the time, quick, quick, quick. X is for x-ray, look inside. Bones and teeth we cannot hide. Y is for yarn, so soft and long. Let's knit together, sing a song. Z is for zipper, zip it slow. Up or down, fast or low.